Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a 2-page Christmas layout. Yet again, I'll be finishing this album. I think I have 4 more Christmas pages to do. So anyway, I do love Christmas, so I'm enjoying doing all of it, and all my grandchildren's pictures are fun to do. So first off, I'm using the 4 photos, 4x6s, and then I'm trimmed one into a 4x4. The paper I'm using is, where is this from? Where did I put it? I just had it. Oh, here it is. Here. Sorry about that. Okay, the buffalo print check is from Cartabella Farmhouse Christmas, and this beautiful poinsettia print, I absolutely love this, is Simple Stories, Simply Vintage Rustic Christmas, and I'm using both sides of this paper. I like them both. They coordinate nicely. And then the gifts paper I'm using is from, where is that? Oh, here it is. It is Photo Play Under the Tree. So that's this paper here. So with all these lovely papers, I'm going to get started. Now first off, I guess this is going to be a lesson in Kiwi Lane templates. I cut out Kiwi Lane templates in these 3 patterns, 1, 2, and 3. So like that. So when you buy these templates, I guess I should tell you, you can go to kiwilane.com to get them. And they all have street names: Clara Lane, Abbey Road, Sunnybrook Lane. All different street names are the names of these templates. And this one is Abbey Road. So you put down the template on the paper, you mark it with a pencil, you put it on the edge like this, mark it with a pencil, put the next template, and then you mark that, then you cut it with your trimmer, and you can cut it with an X-Acto knife or scissors, and you're not wasting any paper at all. So that's what I've done with this. The same with this. But I should tell you, when you open these up, they line up so that they flow evenly across both pages. And you'll see, as I open this up, one end of them fits evenly to flow across both pages. So I guess I'll give you the full Kiwi Lane lesson here. You always pick a multicolored bold print for the top, and then you do a coordinate that will contrast to put underneath it like this, and then you do another coordinate in another color from the multicolored print to go that will contrast with that as well. And you'll notice that these all line up perfectly, and you can put these at the bottom of a page, at the top, at the bottom. Like, you can turn them this way, you can put them like this, and your pages will balance. No matter what you do, you will have beautiful pages, very simply made, that coordinate perfectly. On this page, I am turning these back to back. Well, I'm going to put them this way, like this, and putting this on top. So, and on this one, I'm turning it these back to back with this on top. Now I could turn this way so that it hides more of the check, because I love this floral print. I'll have more of that showing. Or I could just put that on top and it makes this smaller. Alrighty, so there's a lesson in Kiwi Lane. Your pages are very beautifully and simply filled up, and you can just place your photos and images around. So what I have done here is a frame to put on top over here for one of my photos. I'm placing one down here. This 4x4 is going here, and I'm putting this photo of the children with the puppy dog, and then this one is going to go here. So now that I know how much space I have to work with on my page, I design and pick out my Cricut images. And for this page, I've chosen a title called Holly Jolly right here, and that's cute even at an angle or straight. And then, I'm gonna mat these photos like this. And then that one will be like that. And then I also found a pile of presents, because they're opening presents, that I'm going to put right there at the bottom of this photo. And then because I love this paper so much, it is poinsettias, I went with a poinsettia image. So I'm putting that right here. So it's across both of these. Now I will be able to cut that once I tape this on the page. I'll be able to cut it. Oh, here's my photo mat for this photo. Now, I'm not liking this at all. It's just too, I don't know, I don't like it. So what I did, I played around with it some, and I just decided to get rid of this print. And I liked it a lot more. So I'm only using 2 of the layers, and then my poinsettias show up better. And it's just, it was bothering me the other way. It was just too much. So this way, I guess I need to do a mat for this photo. But anyway, these poinsettias are from Anna Griffin, a Christmas cartridge of hers, and I think the title is as well. It's hard to tell anymore because in Design Space, they don't have the names of the cartridges anymore. Unless you know the name of a cartridge, you can't search for an image. It's driving me crazy. I've called them a couple times. Anyway, I have inked these layers. This one in the dark green, it's a Tim Holtz Distress ink with a finger pot. And then this one I did in a another one, Mowed Lawn Distressed ink from Tim Holtz. And the red one I had done in my Powder Puff chalk inks in black to make it show up. But so I'm still not quite there. But then I went through my embellishments and I found these beautiful borders. And I'm thinking I would like to put this on the seam where these 2 papers join. And I'm going to do that. But I am going to do it after I turn off the camera because I have to remove everything and tape everything. I can't do that till the very end, till everything is taped. But that's what I'm going to add to the bottom of that. So I hope you've enjoyed your little lesson on Kiwi Lane. And I hope you like this page. There'll be a Design Space link below for you to copy it if you like it. Thank you so much for watching.